Alright, what's up guys? Gonna dyno my wife's Porsche here. We bought this car because, well, the Celica's always broken. We can't really drive with the kids because it's only got 2 race seats. So we got this car here and bought it, put the rims on it, just put a new top on it. We got bought it, had a bunch of oil leaks, took the engine apart, saw it had bore scoring. So rebuilt the whole engine. It's got like, I don't know, I have to look, let me see. Yeah, it's got like 1,500 miles on it, so 1,500 miles on it since the rebuild. And we're gonna just put on the dyno and see what it does. It used to be a 3.4 liter, now it's a 3.8 liter with Allen Engineering sleeves, JE pistons, Carrillo rods, but that stuff doesn't add the power. The main power stuff is going from a 3.4 to a 3.8, and then Len Hoffman at Hoffman Automotive, I think his name's Len, but yeah, Hoffman Automotive did a pocket port and a valve job for more flow, so the heads have slight work done to them, but not much. And then it's got an exhaust system, you know, and this intake, which I know it doesn't, it came with the car, but they say it actually hurts, but I don't have the stock intake. So that's like the power adders this engine has. It's still stock ECU and everything, but you know, I did other things like, you know, the billet spark plug boots and the hex drive for the oil pump and stuff like that, which, you know, doesn't add power, so it's like safety. It's got the Allen Engineering, you know, IMS, the oil feed one. But yeah, this is it. We'll take it and we'll see what we can kind of get with this. I know stock they dyno like 260 to 265, so we'll see what we can get with this. I don't know. My guess is like, I know that they say like 40 horsepower with a tune and all that, so we'll see if we can, if we're lucky, we can get like 300. It'd be really good, but we'll see what it actually does.
All the best gifts, all at Ulta Beauty. Okay, I have to tell you, I was just looking on eBay where I go for all kinds of things on.
All right, here we are. Late model throttle for the dyno. Here we are, just pulling up the late model throttle. I know it's supposed to be at 9, a little early, but let's see if Jeff's here. Oh shit. I don't think so. I'm not even sure. Try it out. You know what? I don't even know. Oh, e-brake?
Oh, see the air valve on the dyno?
Oh, I got to open it? Air valve on the dyno. Where is it? Oh, here. Cords are hiding it. All right. a weird little power jump there.
Does it have it like I'm not like
Variable valve timing thing, yeah.
Yeah.
See if it does that weird thing again. Really weird. I wonder if it's done that because like with the smaller engine, you needed it there. Now with the bigger engine, they're going to bring it down. You know what I mean? The crossover point. Because it's like the variable valve. I mean, it's like an on-off switch.
Okay.
So it's kind of like a VTEC, but different. The way they do it is they have a cam that goes between the two intake and exhaust, and then there's these two like. It's a chain, I mean, right? And then two pads, and it's either like on, off, you know, like pushes and extends, and then it changes the center lines.
Right.
So you probably, with the bigger engine, you probably want to bring it at a lower RPM.
Right. Yep.
All right, third gear pull. See if it looks any different. Same thing, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Well, we got the car put away for winter, and as you can see, we got a battery tender on it, and it's all covered up. But yeah, after looking at it more, the car made 270 on the dyno and SAE correction, and 280 in the STD correction. And when you look online, stock, it makes like 250 in SAE and like 260 in STD. So it's up like 20 horsepower. And but I mean, we're not really going for power in this car. It was just to rebuild it and have it freshened up and have it fun for the wife. So we'll probably just leave it like this, even though I would want to tune because that's my thing. But she likes it just the way it is, so we're just gonna leave it, and it's her car. But yeah, just a little interesting experiment, seeing what it would do. So this is it, and that's it on this car. Now she's just gonna drive it, and hopefully I can convince her to take it to a track or something for some fun. But that's it.